Hello everyone, welcome to EduBridge. It is an AI platform that creates learning content in different formats so that every student can learn in the way that suits them the best. So here we have an option to select our language, that is English or Hindi. Let's keep it English for now. So all we have to do is upload a PDF on which we have to generate the content. So I have uploaded this 10th standard geography textbook of NCRT chapter 2, Forest and Wildlife Resources. So it's currently getting processed. So this is our learning dashboard. We have extracted all the topics from that particular chapter. Here we could see the simplified text of that particular chapter. Here we could see multimedia features through which a student could learn or interact. This is an option to download chapter notes of a particular chapter. This is an option to download chapter notes as well as mind maps of that particular chapter. So once this bar fills up, we would see simplified text for all these topics. This simplified text is quite different from the chapter text as we have trained a model on it. It it's more simplified, it's more personalized compared to the textbook text. So our simplified text is ready. So for all these topics, it has provided us with the simplified text. So now for someone who could understand much better through audio features, we have an generate audio option which would read this complete entire text for that particular person.
Forests and wildlife are disappearing quickly. This makes their conservation.
This is a quick quiz check to assess how your understanding about this particular text was. So yeah, well done. This was wrong, so once I click on show answer, we could see the correct explanation and the answer of this question, and the pandas was the correct answer. So now let's go to mind map feature. So we have generated an entire mind map on this particular text. So it on when we hover on each node, we get an explanation about that particular node. Protected areas, special projects, protected species, tiger project. One could also understand the entire concept through mind map. So we have provided an audio explanation of this entire mind map concept.
All right. Imagine you're looking at a giant, lush green blanket covering the earth. This is our
So this is a feature of concept cards where we depict each node and the text related to that node in a very colorful format. So this could be short notes for someone. One could download this through this option. Now let's move to flashcards. Flashcards is a quick question answer type game. So yeah, why forests and wildlife are disappearing quickly? Forests and wildlife are disappearing due to human activities like cutting trees, building, and pollutions. What is conservation? And there are multiple questions related to that. Now let's go to quiz feature. So we tried to keep this very interactive and friendly. So we created a game like Flappy Bird. So let's go with B. It was correct this time. Now, what is the main goal of Indian Wildlife Protection Act? Now let's go make this as D. So it was wrong. So now let's go to key insights. So in this feature, we get interesting facts about that particular topic. Tigers and rhinos saved. Bengal tiger is getting endangered. So yes. So let's go to community and conservation, and now let's click on concept images. So this is a very important feature in our project as many people tend to learn much better when they have a visual touch to it. So we generate images which provide very visual explanation to that particular topic. So yeah, these are the images that are generated. Community led conservation in Sariska Tiger Reserve, Bhairodev Sanctuary, Community Forest Reserve, Chipko movement where everyone um, protested to not cut trees. And then we have a concept video features where a video explanation is provided for that topic. Like it acts as a teacher who is explaining that particular topic to a child. So now let's click on play.
In Rajasthan's Sariska Tiger Reserve, both humanly, they said in the Himalayas inspired new ways to grow trees and protect nature without harming the earth.
Yeah, so this is a video feature, and we also have a personalized route assistant to keep the teaching very interactive and interesting. So let's click on give me a real life example and send it to our chatbot. So yeah, it returned me a real life example, the villager who become forest guardians, and it told us about Bhairadev Daka Century. Now let's see our chapter notes. So these are the chapter notes that got generated, which consist of all texts and for chapter plus mind maps. So this is our PDF plus mind map. So this is EduBridge. So our effort was to make learning more simple, accessible, and personalized for every student. We believe that everyone learns differently, and with the help of AI, we can make education truly inclusive. Thank you.